Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Marcy with Wild Foods. Today we're going to be talking about our black truffle salt product. So what is black truffle salt? Black truffle salt is salt along with small particles of truffles. Truffles are very expensive to harvest. You can't just grow them in a crop. They're actually picked from the inside of oak trees, which is why they're so expensive to get. Truffles contain antioxidants and flavonoids that fend off disease and boost immune health. Research has shown that truffles are antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory. Some other benefits of black truffle salt is that they can help lower blood sugar as well as lower cholesterol. And that's only a few of the benefits of black truffle salt. If you want to do more research, we'll include links down below. So you can use black truffle salt on pretty much anything. It will add delicious flavor, but I'm going to show you guys right now how to use it on your scrambled eggs. Fun fact about egg yolks, guys, you're probably used to the yolks being yellow, but you should actually look for yolks that have orange colored yolks because that means that they're healthier. So this stuff is really good and it's also really tasty, so you just need a pinch. So I'm just gonna do a little pinch of our black truffle salt. So David's gonna try it for us because I'm actually dairy-free right now.
Oh wow, that's really good actually. Gives us a nice rich flavor. Definitely different than regular salt, and I enjoy this a lot more than the typical salt. Actually, it tastes really good.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you make the recipe, make sure to tag us at Wild Foods Co. Also, special welcome to our new subscriber, Healthy Hippie Mama. We are doing a shout out to our new subscribers, so make sure to stay tuned, guys, and make sure to share, subscribe, and go wild on that like button. Bye.